Hello everybody, welcome to another box break by GolfNet777. This box break is sold on www.643boxbreaks.com. Please check out the site if you're just checking out my videos on YouTube. If not, if you're involved in this break, then you know about the site already and you know how it works. Today we're doing Ultimate 2010-2011. But I've also decided I'm going to throw in this box. It's got 8 hockey trading card packs. It's a mystery what packs are going to be in there. It's a mystery what's going to come out of them. So I thought I'd just throw that in as an extra for everybody. I just want to go over one card before I get to the break. Some of you may have seen in my last break that I got a box of SP Game Used from Ocean 7. This is the card that I pulled. He mentioned it in his break last night. Alex Ovechkin, significant numbers, numbered 3 of 8 with his autograph on there. I do have this card listed on eBay for sale. Right now, last time I checked about 2 hours ago, the top bid is sitting at $200. So anybody that's watching this, if you want to see this, I believe the listing is still on eBay for 3.5 more days, or just over 3.5 days. So I think it ends Friday, Thursday or Friday, something like that. Anyways, check it out. Let's get to it. This is everybody's teams. A lot of return bidders and some new bidders. Sweeney 11 jumps in with 4 teams. First break of mine that he's bought into. BKEL 71, new bidder. 6008 KR, not a new bidder. I believe you've been in one of my breaks before, but it's been a long time. So there you go. Dubs, Oceans, Teaks, Craig, Sly Pig, Box Breaking Brothers, 4570 Elk Killer, R Big, Ra Big, J Big, and Columbus Fan, and Raptor Man. All been in my breaks before, so thank you to the repeat bidders. Thank you to the new bidders. Let's get into the Ultimate first, because I'm sure that's what everybody wants to see. Serial number is N2548368. And if you've watched my videos, you know that never happens. Never shows up. I think that's about the clearest I can get it. I'm hopefully buying a new camera soon so that I can get better quality video for you guys. Open it up. For Fudgy, there's the Pop-Tart pack. There's the empty box. We'll put the pack there. What do we do with empty boxes? We chuck them. Oh, it looks like we got a really, really nice thick patch. Look at that. No brown stripe. Nice one thick card in there. So it looks like we got a gooder. First card. The great number 8. Alex Ovechkin. Number 335 out of 399. Base card. Next card is Ultimate Rookie. Richard Bachman for the Dallas Stars. Numbered 4 out of 399. We'll save the nice thick one for last. We got a debut thread, numbered 139 out of 200, of Mark Olver. Not Oliver, as a lot of people pronounce it. It is Mark Olver. 139 out of 200. Debut thread jersey. And the sweet patch, I can tell you, is an Ultimate Rookie auto patch. The patch has 5 breaks in it. 3 different colors. It is an autograph. Numbered 16 of 35. Am I keeping you waiting? Do you want to look at this card, or should we just go to this box first? Alright, we'll look at the card. It is Marco Scandella from the Minnesota Wild. Alright, it's not that great of a hit, but it's not a bad hit. As you can see, a very, very nice, sweet patch. Nice autograph. Nice card. That corner is a little dinged. I'm actually getting a little upset with Upper Deck. I got upset with Panini months ago for the exact same reason. It just seems like they're not packaging these cards very nicely. Alright. So there are the 4 cards, and let's get to this box. My wife's telling me not to do it, but I'm going to do it anyways, just for you guys. Alright. So, again, empty box. That gets chucked. The one on top is Fleer Hot Prospects. And inside is Victory, Victory, Victory. All from 2003-2004. Then we got Upper Deck Collector's Choice from 1997. 3 of those packs. And last but not least, we got Parkhurst from 2006. Okay, well, they're not great cards, but hey, it's a bonus for you guys. What do we do again? We chuck it. Alright, let's do the Parkhurst from 2006 first. Let's see if we can pull one of the nice rookies. Boo! Eric Lindros, the Toronto Maple Leafs. Chris Neil from the Ottawa Senators. Christian Ehrhoff from the San Jose Sharks. Yaroslav Mudry from the Atlanta Thrashers. Joseph Melichar from the Pittsburgh Penguins. And Adam Foote from the Blue Jackets. Sad to see him retire, but he was getting old. Great defenseman for many years for the Colorado Avalanche. Alright, Tony Granato, San Jose Sharks. Teppo Nieminen, Phoenix Coyotes. Todd Simpson, Calgary Flames. Alexander Daig, the biggest bust in draft history, from the Ottawa Senators. And Jeff Courtnall from the St. Louis Blues. Oleg Tverdovsky from the Phoenix Coyotes. Corey Hirsch from the Vancouver Canucks. Jim Carrey, the actor, The Mask, Pet Detective, from the Boston Bruins. Robert Reichel from the Islanders. And Mikael Renberg from the Flyers. Dale Hawerchuk from the Flyers. Ron Francis from the Penguins. Kevin Todd from the Mighty Ducks. Dennis Peterson from the Devils. And we got a Magic Man, Patrick Waugh from the Colorado Avalanche. MM8. Like I said, I'm not expecting these to be good cards. Especially when it's MVP or Collector's Choice and Victory. But It's something. Daniel Alfredson, Ottawa Senators. Adam Oates, Anaheim Ducks. Victor Kozlov, Florida Panthers. Brendan Morrison, Vancouver Canucks. Sergei Fedorov, Detroit Red Wings. And Game Breakers, Tony Amonte from the Philadelphia Flyers. Oh, there's a sweet card in here. I'm going to have to do some begging to keep that card. Jeremy Roenick from the Philadelphia Flyers. Patrick Steffen from the Atlanta Thrashers. Nikolai Habibulin from the Tampa Bay Lightning. David Abischter from the Colorado Avalanche. Kyle McLaren from the San Jose Sharks. And the card that I want to really keep because he is one of my heroes. Joe Sakic from the Quebec Nordiques. Look at the jersey number. Jersey number 88. Thank God he got rid of that jersey number and went to number 19. It is a freshman flashback from Joe Sakic. FF13. That will go to the Colorado Avalanche. And the person who got Colorado, let me know what you want. I'll give you something for this. Ocean 7. Alright, next is Scotty Gomez from the New Jersey Devils. Matt Sundin from the Toronto Maple Leafs. Patrick Waugh from the Colorado Avalanche. Rod Brindamore from the Carolina Hurricanes. Scott Hartnell from the Nashville Predators. And Game Breakers, Ilya Kovalchuk from the Atlanta Thrashers. Last pack of this bonus box. Fleer Ultra Hot Prospects. Danielle Briere from the Buffalo Sabres. And I want to show you, I guess you can see it right there. There's a little slash across this card. I'm going to have to say that is my fault. When I sliced open the box, I sliced open the pack with my cutter. And I sliced that card. So whoever got the Buffalo Sabres, I will throw in an extra bonus Buffalo Sabre card for you. Probably a Tyler Myers rookie card. I've got like 4 of them. So Ocean 7, who got Buffalo? You'll get the extra card. Looks like Ocean 7 buys into my breaks a lot. Sergei Fedorov from the Columbus Blue Jackets. How he's a young, hot prospect, I don't know at Columbus. He was in Detroit. Dwayne Rollison from the Edmonton Oilers. And Doug Waite from the St. Louis Blues. Alright, now that we got through the Ultimate and we got through the bonus box 8-pack crummy victory collector's choice cards. I'm actually going to wait for the next video to do the poker, because going from what Ocean says, if your video is under 15 minutes, it loads a lot quicker onto youtube.com. So you can see I have the cards out there and I have the bonuses stuff set up over there. So I will start filming another video in a second here, and hopefully we can keep both these videos under 15 minutes. Check you on the flip side.